Well, Latoto is a very important part of our business to make sure everyone does the job safely, but often we're usually relying on paper version of safe system of work and risk assessments. But for some people it's difficult to read a paper form, maybe of 3 pages, because they might not understand it, or if they do, they might not remember every single detail part of the safe system. But with this new system, the QR codes, it's all virtually, so you can access it easily just via a phone, and you'll have everything a paper would, including a video. We place the QR code system in a relevant position. Like the mixer, there will always be next to a mixer before you enter it, to make sure that everybody who is going to work on it will see it before they get into the actual place. They'll get the phone out, they can scan the QR code, and when scanning the QR code, it will open up a video, and with the video underneath it, they'll have the whole document of where the safe system. So the video will demonstrate what exactly is on the safe system of work, just in a video form. You can also read through the whole document. So whatever piece of equipment we are isolating, the video will show how to properly isolate it and follow the Latoto steps. You're never going to replace the safe system because that's the main aspect to it, but the video will always add more information or add a better explanation to it. I've had a few positive feedbacks from contractors. When they've watched the video, they've now know and updated maybe previous knowledge they haven't known before. So these QR codes, they've been used on every single ready-mix site and the 3 wharfs in the southwestern Midlands. We make the videos, and each site can be different to another plant, so we make them specifically for the plants and nothing's generic. So the mixer QR code here will be completely different to the one in Aston because it's a complete different mixer. So the QR codes are also all over the site, but they can also be found in the lockout box. All the QR codes will be printed and laminated, and the relevant one with the videos will be in the lockout safety system work folder. I think these will make our site safer because this is an addition to our safe system. The videos is only adding on to the safe system, we're not changing the whole system.